Hi, it's Rochelle, Legacy Home and Garden. Thanks for coming by. Hey, what follows here are just a few short video clips along with just a few pictures of the recent snow and ice that we had in South Carolina. And where we live, that's quite unusual. So we've been very cold, and when I say cold, I mean like in the 20s with wind and rain and ice, and then eventually a little snow. So it's quite unusual for us here. I tried to capture a few things that we were doing outside for the chickens, and then just a few snapshots. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for coming by. Sure appreciate ya. Until next time, bye.
I have snow.
I don't
snowing.
believe you.
It's snowing, look.
Oh, okay.
I have snow. We have snow.
We have snow.
See, it was all the terrible things I said.
It was my reverse psychology.
It was.
I said, I don't want snow.
And I said, F snow.
That's
I don't
right.
care about
And then
snow.
all of a sudden, we got
snowing.
snow. Okay.
All
we
right.
got officially just got snow.
Yep.
Now,
Our snow is really wet still.
yeah. Yeah. Okay, I'm cold. Can we go in now?
Yep.
Okay.
No, it's not.
Okay, here I go. Out into the big, deep snow. Oh, I don't know. I should have put boots on. I definitely should have put boots on for that.
Remember I was talking about
Oh, I'm telling you, it is cold out here. But there's something beautiful and majestic about that, isn't there? The trees. Okay, off to the chickens we go on a snowy, snowy morning. Look at our little vans. Can you see the... Hey, I know it's not much, but in South Carolina, this is big news.
Blizzard.
We got the blizzard of 2022. How majestically beautiful is that? Let's go by Mare. There's my daughter Marion, her dog T-Man Titan. Yeah. Something beautifully majestic. Hey, I just thought I'd bring you along this morning down here to the barn where we're gonna get some additional straw for the chickens. Hey, we got the straw loaded up. We all got our winter cough going on. All right, baby, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. You think we should have put chains on the Kubota, or can we make it through the snow?
Honey, there is not even an inch of snow.
I know, but isn't it fun? In South Carolina, we don't get this, so this is fun for us. Okay, we're off to see our little girls and put some straw down. We got to get the snow off of their little thing there that we keep to keep the rain off of them in immaculate weather. You got it, babe?
Which you want?
What?
Which rake you want?
That one with the 3 claws on it and the pitchfork, don't you think?
But that's to be still there.
No, it can't be. I always put it up.
We don't need the pitch for it.
Okay. That's fine then. Whatever you have is fine, darling.
I think you didn't clean up your tools.
Ha.
Morning. What the hell is that snow?
lost my hat. Hold on. Oh, shit. Okay. I'm alive.
What happened, Mary?
Mom had a great idea, which it was great, but it was a lot harder than what she thought it might be to kick the snow up.
And you fell?
And I fell.
I'm so sorry.
And then Daddy too helped me up, but let me fall.
Okay, we got a good layer of straw down for the hens, so I feel better about that. I was gonna clean the coop out with all that chicken poop, but this wise man right here said, don't do it. So we'll do it tomorrow when it warms up. What do you think, ladies? You like that better? Yeah. Poor girls. There we go, ladies. You'll feel much better. Yeah. Fresh water. Yeah.
I don't think that's gonna defrost today anymore.
No, but we saved that one out and filled it up, so that was real smart, I think, on our part. And I think the Dalton over there, she likes picking at that straw, at that snow. So we got them off to a good dry start in this cold weather.